Hello and welcome to Hardware Husky. Today we'll be looking at Phanteks Revolt Pro 1000 watt fully modular power supply. Let's get this unwrapped and have a look at the back. Okay, on the back, the first thing it shows you is expand your power. So it says plug your second PSU into the Revolt Pro into the motherboard. So I'm guessing this adds together and gives you a higher wattage. I'm not 100% sure, I'll read into this a bit later. Next, it has its 80 plus gold unit and it states it's got 12 years warranty, being Seasonic. I can imagine this being really good. Let's pull the unit out and have a look what's inside. The box feels really nice, the inside sleeve just slides out. It's quite tight, but it's all good. Okay. Box is rather plain on your side. It says thank you for choosing Phanteks. And let's get her open. First we have a zippy bag with a few bits in there. Let's get open up and see what's inside. Okay, we have the user manual. We have a couple of screws, we have some velcros and some cable ties. There is something else in the bag. I'm just a bit stuck, let me just try and get it out. Yeah, there we go. Oh, it's a Phanteks case badge. That's cool. And is that what? We have the user manual here and we have an installation guide. Quite nice, it's not just black and white, it's got a little bit of colour to it. And it's quite clear and looks simple to use. That's cool. Yeah, nothing special. It does look like if you add a second power supply, it doubles your, well, not doubles, but it adds together the wattage of both the power supplies. Yeah, that's interesting. Never seen that feature before. We have a kettle lead for the power supply. Let's put there. We have a bag. I'm guessing that's full of all the cables. We'll have a look at that in a second. And in here we have the power supply, which is foam wrapped then in a little bag of its own. Get everything out of the way, get this out. Yeah, the bag's really nice. Oh, that's lovely. The metal grill over the fan is honeycombed and it's like aluminium. It's really nice. Not seen this design before. The back is pretty standard. There's a hybrid button, I'm not too sure what that is. Yeah, unsure. Well, we'll find out. And we have all the connectors. This is fully modular power supply, and the ones with the rubber caps are for expanding your power supply unit. Let's remove the caps, and they're just standard plugs. So basically you just get, if your case can take two power supplies, you plug the 24 pin and an 8 pin CPU power supply into this one, and it adds it onto the wattage of this unit. Yeah. Put that to the side. Let's have a look what cables are in the bag. In total, we have one 24 pin motherboard power supply, two lots of 4+4 pin CPU power, 4 6+2 PCIe power connectors, one SATA with 2 connectors, 3 SATA with 4 connectors, one Molex with 3 connectors, and a power cable. So back onto the power supply input. It's for two reasons. One, power expansion. You can connect a secondary power supply into the Revolt Pro to unlock the powers of both power supplies in your system. And two is for power redundancy. The Revolt Pro can protect your data from a power supply or power source failure when connected with a secondary power supply. power is automatically regulated by the Revolt Pro through the 24-pin and 8-pin cable between the power supplies to keep your data safe and the system running normally. The hybrid button on the back of the power supply, basically when you press it, it turns the 135mm fan off unless the power load goes above 40%, so it keeps it quiet. On the plus 12 volt rail we have up to 83 amps, which is 996 watts of power, so that's plenty for most modern graphics cards and processors. On the other rails we have a 20 amp on the 3.3 volt and 20 amp on the plus 5 volt. And that's it for this unboxing and quick look of the Phanteks Revolt Pro 1000 watt fully modular 80 plus power supply. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please just drop it down below. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. If you didn't, press dislike. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you again.